How to fix the Instagram app is not working. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your Instagram app is not opening or keeps on crashing, here are some of the steps that should help. Starting off with, you have to check the Instagram server status. You can open any of your preferred browser and search for websites such as Down Detector to see if there is a widespread issue regarding the server. In that case, you'll have to wait until Instagram resolves the issue. Step 2, head over to App Info and then on Storage and Cache. Clear the cache and then the storage. This will remove the temporary files as well as reset the app. Step 3, open your Play Store and search for Instagram. Search for any updates available and tap on it to install the latest version. If this does not help, uninstall the application once and install it again. Now that this is done, restart your Android device and after rebooting, try to open the app again. However, if nothing works, you will have to go to app support and email. Then after, write an email to the app support regarding the issue. Make sure to attach the screenshots of the issue along with videos as well. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.